In the lounge we have this enormous 55-inch 4K Smart HD TV which has Virgin Entertainment. To use this you'll need to find the remote control, and to turn on the television you push this top left button. That will start the television. It will load up and you'll see this. Now if you find that there is no signal on the television, this is because the Virgin box is turned off, and the Virgin box is located on the left hand side, and you'll be able to see that the red light is on. That means it is off. To turn it on you just push this red button. That will turn it white. You'll see that the television loads up. So to use Virgin TV you have the remote control here. Now up here, this top left button, that is the guide. Then you can use the up arrow here or down arrow of the programs to quickly flick through pages, or you can go using the dial here up and down. If you find something you'd like to watch, you just push the OK button and that will load up that television station. If you wish to record, you've got the record button, and then you can go rewind, pause, play and fast forward. Volume button is here. Now if you wish to use Netflix, this has Netflix, you can either push the home button and then using the arrows here scroll along to apps and then click on there, push OK, and then you can then scroll to Netflix and push OK. We also have Amazon Prime Video on this television. There are also other apps such as iPlayer, TV Hub, so whichever one you wish to pick, as well as YouTube. Now there is a voice command here, so if we push on this button and hold it down and then speak Netflix, you find this will load up Netflix. If you push down this button as well and then say Amazon Prime, that will go to Amazon Prime Video. And here, once in Netflix, you can then select, use the up and down button, whichever video you wish. We have an enormous package on here, so you have Amazon Prime, Netflix and a vast range of Virgin channels in HD and also BT HD Sports. To turn off the television, just push the top left button and that'll turn off the television. Thank you.